Ku danna subscribe domin kasancewa tare, sai ku danna alamar ƙararrawa domin samun shirye-shiryenmu a koda yaushe.
There are many aspects of Nigeria that fill me with pride. Against apartheid, for example, Nigeria was in the forefront. And in the liberation of countries such as Angola, Mozambique, and more recently Liberia and Sierra Leone, Nigeria's influence has been paramount. I recall with pride when the Nigerian delegation persuaded the Casablanca Bloc and the Monrovia Group to set up a continental organization. This
إلى في قريش